Can you hear me clearly now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay. So I welcome you all to the first quote and the first quote one 2025 data camp scholarship. And I congratulate you all for meeting this scholarship. So firstly, I would like us to start by introducing ourselves. To try to get to know you more. You start by your name. How can you rate your knowledge of data science? Like, are you a novice, a beginner, you are an intermediate, or you are an expert that is looking to get certification or more? So, your name, your level in data science, and what do you hope to achieve at the end of this program, at the end of this teaching? What are you looking forward to? So, I'm going to start from myself. My name is Usman Daudu. I'm one of the teaching assistants for data science. We have three teaching assistants. We have three seniors too, and um, sorry, we have three assistants too. I'm one of them. Sorry, I want to please check. So we have three assistants. We have me, Usman Daudu. We have seniors too, John and Tolu and Nini. So that's the third teaching assistant that we have, and they'll be with us shortly. So my level of data science, I would say between intermediate and expert, fluctuating between intermediate and expert level. And my goal at the end of this cohort is that I want at least 80% of us here to complete to get to complete the associate data scientist track, complete the data scientist track, get certified as a data associate data scientist, and also get certified as associate data scientist, and also pass all the requirements for graduation by AIC. That's what I look up. So let's start.
Hi, good
What?
evening. Sorry. Good evening, sir.
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah,
Good
sorry.
evening.
Most of us here are on the machine learning track. So I don't know if it's a mistake on our own part. Most of us
I
here on the
think
machine learning track.
this is data science group house thing.
Sir?
Or did I change the wrong group house?
I think so because many people are asking questions chats on the chat session asking if it's for machine learning.
Oh, let me check. I think I changed the data science group house. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm going to leave the room now. If I come back, that means this is data science without room. And if not, then I'm going to join the data science without room. Sorry for the mix.
I know, right? Thank you, sir.
That's okay. So I did not hear what you said though, because I was invited for machine learning. So I don't know what's really going on. The link I received said machine learning. Couldn't even hear you, sir.
Good evening, sir. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone.
So
Good evening, everybody. I don't know. I just think that since we are having a confusion of who is to take or who is not to take. Since I think I also believe that everybody here is machine learning. Yeah, so I think we can just go ahead and start introducing ourselves with the template he was saying. So we can just go ahead and start introducing ourselves, our names, what we currently do, what level of stage we are currently at, and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go first. Hi guys, as you can see, my name is Emmanuel. I am a currently I work as a product specialist. I have a bit of experience with writing code and machine learning and training machine learning algorithms. So I would say that I have experience in Python, but when it comes to machine learning, I think I would like to say that I am sort of a newbie. Let me just say I'm sort of a newbie because I understand theory. I mean, I understand sometimes writing the code, but sometimes the mathematics behind it is not something I'm so good with. Basically, I'm not also going to lie. I'm way, way beyond. I'm way past, or what's the word now? I've not fully like I'm way behind schedule. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. I'm way behind schedule my for the classes that we're supposed to take on data camp. So I think we can just go alphabetically. Abdul Hakim, if you're there, just say, talk briefly about yourself and pass to the next person. Is Abdul Hakim there? Abdul Hakim Ibrahim. Okay, maybe we should just move on to the next person. Abiola or War. I hope I'm not mispronouncing your name. Is Abiola here? Since she's also not here. Can anyone hear me? I've been talking to myself.
Yes, I
We
do.
can
We
hear
can
We
you.
can
hear
hear
you.
you. You're
Oh,
audible.
all right, I was scared
Can hear you.
because I've just been talking to myself. Okay, so Abubakar, so did you want to go? I mean, if you are here on the call, seems like it's also not here. So additional, Hakim, are you here? I'm trying to not make. I don't want this to be rowdy.
Well, I'm currently
Abdul
on my way
Hakim,
back.
can you hear me
Sorry,
clearly?
I'm hearing you. I'm listening to the second. I'm currently in a very rowdy area. So
All right, no problem, no problem, no problem. I'll just keep calling people's names till I get. Additional Hakim, are you on the call? Would you like to go? Seems he's also not here. Adio Muiz,
I
if
think
you
it's
are.
Yeah.
preferable.
All
Yes,
right.
I think it's preferable people raise their hands up so that we quickly identify those
Then
who
no,
are
what I'm
kind
trying
of.
to say, I don't want it to be rowdy. You get if everybody's raising their hands up, we might miss. But if I go alphabetically, we can at least pick or get through everyone. Adio
All right.
Muiz.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ajomu Izadini. Yeah, I'm from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm currently working with energy sector as a business analyst. I have interest in Python, so I've been learning it for a while now. But it's kind of difficult, so I'm in this community to learn. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Mm,
Adio Muiz. Lovely to have you here.
yeah.
Agbawi
Thank you.
Adedeji. Juju, would you like? Are you
yeah,
here?
yeah, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Okay, yeah. So my name is Adideji. Adideji is my first name. So I'm a recent graduate of electrical electronics engineering. So I'm just coming out of school. So I've been doing data science for almost a year now. I've done some projects on like some boot camps, some online courses, and Coursera, Udemy. And I did a little bit of machine learning, like the supervised learning, but it's not really advanced. But this whole program was just to become more confident in our abilities and to immerse myself in real world projects. So I would say I'm in between intermediate and beginner in ML, but data science, I think I have, some 2 or 3 projects that I've done that, are still substantial. So this is an opportunity to meet people and to connect and to collaborate and to learn more from everyone. Thank you very much.
That's lovely to hear, man. Welcome to the team. And I mean, like you said, networking is important. So let's see more of what we can do. Andrel Daga, I hope I pronounced that right and did not murder the name.
Yes, you pronounce it well. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Andro, and I am currently a software developer, freelancing. And I enrolled to this track because I want to learn how to integrate AI into uh, normal software, because I think that's where things are headed and things are going. So I am a complete beginner. I don't know anything about machine learning, but I'm familiar with Python and programming languages in general. And looking forward to connect and to work with all of you.
Lovely to have you here, Andrew. I'm sorry, something I forgot to do is country we are having this call from, if we can add that. So Andrew, would you like to, where are you joining
Sure.
us from?
I'm currently in South Africa, but I'm from the Republic of Benin originally.
Lovely to have you here. Anthony, would you like to go next if you're on the call and if you're here with us?
Oh, is it me?
Sorry, what did you say?
Oh, I think I barely heard you. Did you say it, Anthony?
Yeah, I was talking to you, Anthony. Would you like to introduce
Oh,
yourself, where you're
thank you.
calling from, and all of that?
Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm Anthony Eric. Those are my names. So I'm currently based in Kigali. So as a student. So yeah, I'm still a beginner. Let me say probably between beginner and then intermediate. I enroll in this track because I'll be specializing in machine learning. So let me say it in January. So at least that's why I enroll, at least to have some basic info, or let me say probably maybe a half of it. So before specializing, so that my learning should go smoothly. So thank you.
Yeah, lovely to have you, Anthony. Ayodiji Adibambo, would you like to introduce yourself? Tell us where you're joining us from, what stage of learning you're currently at, and all of that.
Yeah, I think I'm on the wrong group because I think I should be on AI and machine learning group. I mean
This
voice
is yeah,
breakouts rather.
I this is AI and machine learning, I think. So yeah,
Oh,
basically,
oh,
yes.
all right then. I'm in the right group then. So I'm joining from Nigeria, and honestly I've been so lost because I don't know what I'm doing, but I thought like I would like speak up when I join the breakout session so I can meet the others, and now here I am.
Yeah, so lovely to have you. I think a lot of us are quite lost.
Yeah,
But
we're
yeah,
lost.
let's finish with introductions first, then we
All
will know what next to do here.
right.
Eric, I can't pronounce your first name, so if you are on the call, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Good evening, everyone. I'm Begumosa Eric from South Africa. I'm doing software engineering. I'm a final year student. So, yeah, I joined machine learning, I think, because I'm very much interested in data engineering and I want to specialize in that. So I think it goes very well, with machine learning. So I'm a beginner, but I've done Python. At school, I've done Python and Java. So I'm proficient in Python, not in data science. Thank you.
Good to have you, Eric. Lovely to meet you. Blessing, would you like to go next, please? I don't think Blessing is on the call, so we'll just go to Chuku. Okay,
Uh,
Blessing, are you here?
yes, I am. Good evening. My name is Blessing. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm a production engineer. I just like recently changed career path into tech. So I'm a beginner, and I want to actually learn more on this course. Thank you.
Lovely to have you here, Blessing. Uh, Mr. Emmanuel Chukwem, I don't want to mispronounce it. So, Mr. Emmanuel, are you on the call? Would you like to introduce yourself, please? I don't think he's on the call. Daniel's Notika. Deborah Any, would you like to please introduce yourself? Hi, Deborah. Seems like she's also not here. Deborah
I'm
Isaac,
here.
Oracle, can you?
Deborah
Introduce.
N is here.
All right, please introduce yourself, please.
Okay. My name is Deborah N, joining from Yenagoa, Nigeria. Okay, I'm a fresh graduate and I'm interested in machine learning. I've not done any IT course before, so I'm just a newbie in the learning system. So I hope, even though navigating through the data camp, the first class I did was somehow very new and so unclear to me. But I believe I will catch up with time. Thank you.
Yeah, lovely to have you here, Deborah. So lovely to have you here. Um, Deborah Isaac Brown.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, everyone. I am Isaac Brown Deborah from Lagos, Nigeria. I am a student, first of all. I'm an undergraduate. I'm currently studying botany in the university, and I have a bit of a background knowledge in Python because I've dabbled a bit in data science, but I'm a total newbie to machine learning. So I'm here to, become more advanced, meet new people, connect with people, and, just better myself. So nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you, Deborah. Lovely to have you here. Emmanuel Eniola, I think your hands were raised before, so you can just introduce yourself and say whatever you wanted to say earlier on.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Um, I thought you were calling me when you called Mando earlier.
Oh, no, no, no. I was calling the other. There was another Emmanuel Chuku.
Yeah, okay, I had
Name
to confirm. I had to confirm.
Yeah, so please proceed to introduce yourself and just tell us about yourself and all of that.
Okay, my name is Emmanuel. Emmanuel Eniola Manebi Frederick Jeba. I am from Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm a student in the University of Lagos. I proficient in Python. I'm a software developer. I use Python, C, and C Sharp. I'm an intermediate in machine learning, but then I dropped it for a while and I'm back to it now. So let me say I'm a beginner plus, if that makes sense. Thank you.
Lovely to have you here. I think we have a lot of beginner plus here, so good to have you here, Emmanuel. I think the next person will be all this AI note seekers. Okay, Gabriel Komolafe, please, if you're on the call, kindly proceed to introduce yourself. I don't think he's here with us. Okay, he's here.
Oh, I'm here with you.
All right, please introduce yourself. Hi, your hands
Yeah,
have even been raised for a while.
I'm Gabriel Komolafe from a student of, actually I'm an undergraduate from University of Lagos, Nigeria. So I also call myself a beginner. I have a basic knowledge on Python, C, and some other basic languages. But I still I still call myself a beginner. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Gabriel. Great, Akachi. Please, are you on the call with us? I'm not sure he's on the call. Hikma Yaya. Please, are you on the call with us? Would you like to introduce yourself? Not on the call. Iliri Oluwase Adibayo, please, if you're on the call, kindly
Hi,
introduce yourself.
hi, good evening, everybody.
Hi.
My name is I am an undergraduate student at Federal University of Technology, Mina, studying mechatronics engineering. I've had experiences with machine learning. I said since last year, but my learning was not. It was not. It didn't follow a particular path, so I've had a little experience with machine learning, and I'm a bit proficient in Python too.
Lovely to have you here, Iliri Olua. Uh, Lovely to have you here. Ivan, I hope I'm not mispronouncing. Your
Hello,
hands have been raised. Is it
hello,
Ivan
good
or
evening.
Ivan? Please introduce yourself.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Atoira Ivan from Uganda, and I'm an undergraduate student doing Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at University of the People, USA. I study online, and I'm much interested in machine learning because I want to explore the applications of machine learning in the healthcare field and agriculture field to solve challenges that are facing those sectors. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Was that why you raised your hand earlier on, or do you want to ask any particular question?
I raised my hand earlier. I wanted to be picked so that I can introduce myself also.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much. No problem. Josiah Adeoye, please, are you on the call with us? Do you want to introduce yourself? If not, Joyce Omotayo, if you're on the call and you can hear us clearly and you're not in a noisy place. Seems like they're both not on the call. Amogelu, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that wrongly. Are you on the call, please? Do you want to introduce yourself? Also not on the call. Okay. Kiziana. So who?
Yes. Hi, everyone. This is Kessiana here. I'm from Nigeria originally, but I think similar to Andrel, I'm in South Africa. I work in South Africa in web development. So I'm a web developer, have a couple of years of experience, and I'm basically trying to see how to use AI and machine learning in my, my daily workflow for web development, and also use this platform to network as well.
Thank you so much, Nigerians in diaspora. Thank you so much. Hi, Khadija Lawal. If you're on the call, please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Khadija Lawal of Mechatronics Engineering from First Technical University, Ibadan. I am at the intermediate level of machine learning, and I'm on this platform to just to learn more and network with like minds.
Thank you so much for that. Lawrence. Hi, Lawrence. Would you want to introduce yourself? Okay, Labibat Yakubu. I don't think you've introduced yourself. Please, if you're on the call, kindly proceed to introduce yourself.
All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Yakubu Labiba. I'm from Power State, Nigeria. I'm currently an undergraduate student, a medical student. I want to be able to integrate AI slash machine learning in healthcare to be able to help people in healthcare also. All right, thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Labibat. Mahmoud Rabiu Zakaria.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mahmoud Rabi Zakaria. I'm from Nigeria, Kano State. I'm an undergraduate student from Federal University of Technology, Babra, studying computer science. I choose to this AI, ML, I mean machine learning, to like network myself with other colleagues to learn some things. I'm an intermediate in Python. I know the basics and basic fundamentals of in Python, so I want to join, like to start a journey in machine learning. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mahmoud. Mahmoudu Alpha Jalo. If you're on the call, can you proceed to introduce yourself? I don't think he's on the call. We'll just go to Mba Godwill. Are you on the call, please?
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Good morning.
Hi,
Hello.
Mba Godwill. Hi, Dimitri. Do you want to say something?
Yes. Good evening, please. My name is Dimeji, and I intend to learn AI. I wouldn't say I'm very, very, very fast in Python yet, or machine learning. Yes. Good evening.
Good
My
evening.
name I'm
Hi.
in Nigeria.
Lovely to have you here with us today.
Uh,
Umbagodru, would you like to go now?
Yes, hello everyone. I'm Bagotwil. I'm an undergraduate student and I'm learning computer science in Cameroon. I have basic knowledge in Python and other programming language, but I'm completely new in machine learning. Though I would like to learn AI and machine learning to implement it in my future projects. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Umba. Mukadas Habibu Dindi. I hope I didn't mispronounce that. Sorry if I did.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mukada Sapi Burundi from Nigeria. I graduated from Usman Danfodio University, PSC Microbiology. I'm a a certified data analyst from Datacam and Google. So I want to learn machine learning as I'm currently taking my MSc in public health. I want to use the opportunity I get here and the knowledge I will gain to to uh, to leverage my study and also I use the knowledge I gain in machine learning in public health sector. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Habibu Mukadas. Ungam Vitalis. I hope I didn't mispronounce that. Do you want to introduce yourself, please?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. I'm Vitalis Ngam from Cameroon. I'm currently studying.
Hi, sorry, your voice is kind of low. Can you?
So, is it better now?
Yes, a bit better.
All right. I said I'm a student from Cameroon, going software engineering, and I've taken a couple of courses in AI and as really machine learning. So I got into this course to be able to fully get the skills of machine learning and integrate into the software development I'm currently in the training for. Because when I look at it, it's driving towards that area and it'll be very important if I get the skills. Thank you.
Lovely to have you here, Ungam. Lovely to have you here. Magdi, please, if you are here, sorry for mispronouncing your name. Nohan Magdi, do you want to say something? I don't think he's on the call. Ofdum Uchuku, do you want to please introduce yourself? Since he's also not on the call. Okafo Chukwuebuka, I since he's also not on the call. Okay, Chukwu Emmanuel, please, are you here with us?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, so I'm Emmanuel Okechukwu. So yeah, I joined this data camp scholarship because I want to get the expertise on data and machine learning. So in terms of business analytics, so one of my major goals as an engineering graduate is I want to integrate engineering expertise with business, and then in learning business, because what I learned mostly in school was engineering. So I want to learn more about the business aspect, do something in data analysis in business, and also increase my business expertise, and also do data analysis in engineering also. So I'm looking forward to starting out with this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Emmanuel. Olali Kombamidele, please, are you on the call? Do you want to introduce yourself? I don't think he's on the call too. Ulu Joseph Udi Mayo, are you on the call? Seems like he's also not on the call. Seems like Oladipo having issues with his mic. Salim, thank you so much. Seems like you were about, you knew you were the next. You just go ahead and introduce yourself.
Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Salim Yahuza from Katsina State, Nigeria. I'm a student of MSc Data Science at Manipal Academy of Higher Education, India. And in addition to that, I have another master's degree in information technology. So I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Salim. Simhuwe Matwang, I hope, I'm sorry if I mispronounced. Are you here on the call? Do you want to go ahead and tell us more about yourself? Seems like the person is not close to their laptop. Timothy Oladapo. Okay, yeah, please go ahead.
Hello, guys.
Hello, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you, guys.
Can you proceed to introduce yourself, please?
My name is Simpem Daung. I'm part of information technology in innovation. Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you so much for that. Timothy Oladapo.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear
Hello,
you.
can you hear me?
Yes, I
Yeah,
can.
good evening, everyone. My name is Timothy Oladapo. I reside in Ebonyi State, Nigeria. Versatile with Python and let me say beginner plus also in machine learning. And I'm here to connect with others and touch real life projects. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Timothy. Tochuku Paul, please, if you're on the call, kindly proceed to introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tochuku Paul. I have an intermediate mastery of React and React Native, and I'm currently here to study machine learning to be able to incorporate some of its advantages to some of the projects I work on. Happy and also to connect with most of you guys.
Thank you so much for that. Usman Sharif.
Hello.
Hi,
my name is Usman Sharif. I'm a graduate of Ahmad Bello University and I study mechatronics and I have a basic of knowledge of Python and also AI and machine learning. So nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for that. It's nice to meet you, Usman. I think the next person is Inadi Ayangwa. I'm sorry for mispronouncing that. She wants to introduce herself.
Hi guys, my name is Zenande. I am from South Africa. I'm actually a Bachelor of Commerce graduate who is a girl who loves tech basically. So I would say I'm doing a bit of a career change and I do know the front end in terms of knowing certain programming languages. But I'd like to one day be able to build my own AI model and understand AI better. Hence, I enrolled in this course.
That's so lovely to hear. Thank you so much for that. Lovely to have you here. So, I think that's everybody. If you've not introduced yourself or you joined us quite late, you can probably just raise your hand and we would. Okay, hi, Samuel. Can you proceed to?
Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Samuel, and I'm new to machine learning. I have a little bit of experience from beginner to intermediate in data science, and I want to explore machine learning instead. So I'm hoping that this course would take me from the beginner level to an expert level, or like someone earlier said, so maybe 80% level. So that's what I'm hoping for, and it's nice to be here, guys. It's nice to be with you guys.
Nice to have you here, Samuel. Next person will be Kamugelumu. So I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Kindly proceed to introduce yourself.
Good day, everyone. My name is Kamahelo, and I am a graduate in Bachelor's of Science in Information Technology, and I've majored in networks engineering. So during my process of studying, I've studied machine learning, but then it was just one semester. So I hope I will learn more. Like I want to get deep into machine learning. Thank you.
Lovely to have you here. Alex, tell me if you want to go ahead, please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Alex Tommy Sampson. Um, I'm currently a student. I'm studying medicine in River State University. So I actually wanted to mix up this machine learning with my medicine studies to see how I can make it easy. So
Lovely to have you here, Alex. Tell me. So is there anyone else that has not introduced themselves?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Great One Kiri from Nigeria. I'm a graduate of mechanical engineering. I have preliminary knowledge of Python and some other programming languages, C++, etc. And I'm interested in AI and machine learning for um, the reason that I'm very intrigued by intelligent systems, and I look forward to combining AI with engineering and also AI for health purposes like diagnosis and stuff like that.
Yeah, lovely to have you here. Great. So I think everyone has introduced themselves except those that are in noisy places. So if you've not introduced yourself and you are in a noisy place, you can just probably write something on the message, the chats. But so yeah, I think the AI community, the meeting host is the meeting host on here, so we know what next we're doing. Or we should just continue as is the meeting host here. I don't think that. So I think we've been left to our own devices. So I think next thing I would want us to talk about for those of us that have started the classes on data camp, where we currently are at, what are the challenges we are currently experiencing, and what do we need help with. So for those of us that would like to speak, we can just raise up our hands or something. So for those that have gone through that particular challenge, they can shed more light to that. Is that okay with everybody?
Okay, I basically have it's a major okay, what I want to say is there were certain assignments that were given to each and every one of us, if I'm not mistaken. And
Okay.
some of those assignments were ready for intermediate people who have at least a basic knowledge of machine learning. So I don't know if we were supposed to have gone through the minor courses first before doing these assignments, because it was also given a deadline of 5 days. I think today is the deadline by midnight.
Hello. Okay, that makes sense. Sorry, please, let's just go one by one so everywhere is not rowdy. Does anyone have an answer to that? If you have an answer to Tuchuku's question, can you raise up your hand? And how many of us have even completed the assignment first? Let's start with that. Has anyone here completed the assignment?
Me personally, I'm almost done.
I've not completed.
Okay, it seems Agba Adidi says he has completed the assignment. Would you like to shed more light on the submission of the assignment and all of that, please? Because I think
Okay, wait.
most
First
of
of
us are
all,
lost. Yeah.
I'm not aware of the assignment. I think is it that we are supposed to complete the supervised learning course? Is that the assignment?
So Chuku, is that
Or
the
is there
assignment you're
like
talking
an
about?
actual is like completing the supervised learning with scikit-learn is that the assignment, the course itself?
Yeah.
Yes, I've completed the course. Okay. Yeah. So the thing is, you actually have to have intermediate knowledge of Python, at least beginner knowledge of Python. So what you can do is you can actually go to the data science track. if you have time, take the first two courses on, or take the first two courses on introduction to Python and intermediate Python. You necessarily don't have to go through everything, because I'm seeing some things in the course that requires you to use loops and lists and dictionaries and arrays, and all those things are something that someone who has been doing Python should know. So it's not very beginner friendly, and they don't really go in depth to explain past concepts. So maybe I don't know how people wants to do it, how wants to maybe consider those that are just starting afresh, or just wanting to see or explore. But what I did was that because I wanted to refresh my knowledge on some things that I've done in Python, so I went to the data science track, took the first two courses on intermediate Python, so I was able to remember. And I also used some tools, some books to just check, okay, yeah, how do I look through lists, how do I do this thing. So as I'm learning, I'm actually searching stuff up just so I can remind myself. But if you're a complete beginner, you should take the courses, the first two courses on Python, introductory Python. It's on the data science track. It will help you. That's what I did.
Okay, that was very helpful. I also think you should also emphasize on the fact that apart from being a Python learner, because there are some of those libraries and some of the concepts that they mention in the course that if maybe you haven't had, like I said again, basics of machine learning, you won't be able to catch up with what they are saying. Like, although they don't, like you said, they don't really go into depth of the facts and all of that. So I really think that if there are any basic or beginner courses for machine learning first, and also, like you said, more of Python, if you're a complete noob.
Thank you so much, Tochuku and Ayodeji. So, Salem, I think your hands were raised before Sam was on. Would you like to ask your question?
Yes, sir. My question is on clear path on these machine learning courses. Which courses we should take first, and then followed by what? Because there is no clear guidance on that, so that we should not be taking wrong courses and leaving the mandatory ones aside. That is my question. Thank you.
Okay, so I think Adedeji answered this question. So he says if you don't have prior experience, if you are just a newbie starting from scratch, you need to first go through the data science tract, where you go through the beginners, Pythons for beginners, if you don't have any knowledge on Python, and the intermediate Python course. So if I'm not mistaken, did I get that correctly?
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Those two courses very important.
Those two courses, and I have taken that course prior, so I will probably be jumping into the machine learning course. So do you understand that, Salim?
Yes, I have done with intermediate Python and the beginner one. I'm done with
so
those.
it means you have proper context to jump into the machine learning track.
Yes,
do you
yes.
understand that? Yeah, all right.
Yes.
So you can just go ahead and jump into the machine learning tracks.
Okay. That is machine learning engineer or machine learning ML science. I think it is two different career paths.
So I think that these are the questions that our are supposed to answer. But I'm not sure. For the machine learning one, I'm currently in my data camp. Just give me a minute to check. Machine learning.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm not even. So I don't know. It seems like my network is acting up. But yeah, basically.
Hello, sir.
Please, sir, I just want to ask the interim.
Want to ask question
of this session, sir.
Well, please, if you want to ask questions, just raise your hand. So everywhere is not rowdy. Sorry.
Our answer are raised.
Yes. So I'm moving to the next person's question. Samuel, you have a question.
Okay, yes, it's more like a corroboration and an answer to Salim's question. What Agbaoye said regarding requiring knowledge, the thing is, I realized that it's not even only Python knowledge you require. You also require some basic knowledge of like the mathematical basic knowledge of statistics, because This scikit supervised learning with scikit course, I realized that it has a prerequisite. It is listed there on data science course, or on the data camp page rather, that there is a prerequisite. So I had to take that prerequisite first. The prerequisite was, I think, introduction to statistics with Python.
Yes.
So I had to take that first. Yeah, so I had to take that first. So I'm currently on the, I'm not done with the scikit learn course now. Also, I think there may be another prerequisite, that one that may help someone. I think that's introduction to regression in
Yeah.
Python, to linear regression, I think. So I think that would be a better foundation. Those two courses would be a better foundation. And like Agbawi also said, for someone that doesn't have any base knowledge, Python knowledge at all, like one has to take those two courses. And then regarding Salim's question, regarding the particular track, like the order that we're supposed to take, on the learn page, in one of the tabs by the left there, on the left page, there is something called track. If you click down on that track, you would see career tracks and skill tracks. So it is under that career tracks. That is where I saw that all the courses that we have to do, I think we have about 14 that we have to, about 14 courses that we have to do under ML engineer. So the first one is supervised learning with scikit learning. The second one is ML ops concepts, introduction to shell, on and on like that. So all the courses, like they are listed there in, in sequential order that we're supposed to take them. So that is it.
Okay, thank you very much for the clarification.
Yeah, you are
Yes.
welcome.
So I mean, Salim, if you don't understand, I mean, this is basically I'm showing you. So this is the course. This is the assignment you're supposed to be taking, and this is prerequisites, introduction to statistics, and then these are parts of this tracks. So these are the tracks he was talking about. Everything here, depending on the tracks that you're in, and I think that should answer your question. You understand?
Yes, I understand. Thank you very much.
All right. So next question. Next person will be has spoken. Salim has spoken. Andrea, do you want to speak? Okay.
Yes, it was just to add on to Salim, to answer Salim's question. Someone asked the same thing on Discord earlier this week, and they said that they curated a particular list of courses that we have to take. So they might not particularly go with this track that DataCamp has given us. So just to be wary of just following that one in case they give us something else. And also to add to Samuel as well, I think it's important, like you guys have pointed out, maybe you can create a list of the prerequisites for those who are kind of beginners and share on Discord so they can follow as well.
All right, thank you so much for that. Iliri Oluwase Adebayo, do you want to say something?
Okay, good evening, everybody, once again. Sorry, my own issue is logging into data camp. I received the email yesterday, sorry, 2 days ago, to complete the assignment, which is to round up the course on supervised learning. So, and I've been trying to log into data camp. Now, if I had to send the email to their admin, that I've not been able to log into data camp. Once I go to my browser, it doesn't even just, it's not responding at all. So that's the issue I've been having.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Sorry,
think that,
and also sorry
yeah.
to cut you. And also, I've been having issues with verifying my phone number to join the Discord channel since last week.
Okay. So I
Yes.
think that you are probably going to have to reach out to one of the admins to help you
Oh,
resolve that issue. But then
okay.
you already said for logging into data camp, you already what's the word now? You already sent a message to the admin. Because when I had an issue with confirming if I had been given access, I just sent a message to data camp and they were able to help me resolve it. So I think you can also try that and also
Okay.
let one of the admins know.
All right, sir.
If that makes sense.
All
So
right,
yes,
thanks. But
basically.
just hold on.
Send a message to, like I said, data camp. If you've done that already, reach out to the admin. I think there's
All
this
right.
email, this form. What I'm going to do is try to pin or drop the form that the what's it called? The form that the hosts, the meeting hosts. Okay, it's pinned. So just check. Good day, everyone. Kindly log all your concerns using the support form. the team
All
were
right, sir.
attending it as soon as possible. So yes, basically.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So who's the next person? Does anyone have any other issues or questions they would like to ask? Okay, Olariwaju David.
Sorry, good evening. What I want to ask is if you are not if you haven't completed the supervised learning with scikit-learn, if you haven't completed it by 12 o'clock this evening, what's going to happen?
Honestly, I do not have an answer to that question. I've also not completed mine, and I do not have an answer to that question. I'm not going to lie to you. These are the questions we are supposed to direct towards what's it called? Towards the meeting hosts, basically. And like I said, we've been left to our devices right now at this moment. So we are just waiting for a response from them. I think there was a mix-up with the meeting links and all of that. So I didn't just want us to like just come here and not do anything. That would be a waste of everybody's time. So Mahmoud Rabiu Zakaria, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Sir, my question was that I have a question. My question was that in the machine learning career track, there is 14 courses and projects. So do we need to complete them before in a specific time? I mean, in a particular assigned time or what? That's my question.
Yeah, Mahmoud. So I would just advise that, like now, a lot of us are in a conundrum because we've not completed the current assignments we have, which is supposed to take us, I think it was 2 weeks or a week, the supervised learning with scikit-learn. So just to be on the safer side, I try to complete all of the assignments we are given or projects we are given or courses we are given before the due dates. So we don't have any issues or anything like that, if that makes sense. Do you understand that, Mahmoud?
Yes, sir. I finished the Skykiller one and learn. So I won't move to the next course. That's why
Of course, please, by all
and
means. Yes, please, by all means. I think you should move to the next course. Please.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And sir, I have a question too. Secondly, is that is there any in I mean in a week, do you have to assign us a new like course or anything?
A new what?
In a week. I mean in a week. In a particular week, is there
Yeah.
any specific assignment that you assign?
I think once this today, once 12 p.m. clocks, I think a new one will be automatically assigned. So yes, I think a new one will be automatically assigned. So does that answer your question?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you.
Mukadas, did
Hello,
you?
thank you, sir. Yeah, sir. My question is that, my question is that, if you look at the data cram tracks, you found that some of the courses are in different tracks. For example, if you look at machine learning with machine learning scientist and machine learning engineer, you find that there are some different courses that are in different tracks. So for me, that I have already done some courses under machine learning scientist, some courses, and under machine learning engineering, like this supervised learning with scikit-learn, and some courses that are in machine learning engineer. So I don't know either if this will count will be counted under under this scholarship I'm undergoing with AI community. African.
Okay, so you are saying that you've completed it, Abi? Like you've
Yes,
completed some
for
courses.
almost a years now.
All right.
So some of the courses now.
So take for
Like
example,
this assignment they are talking about, I've done it when I'm doing my machine learning scientist. You know, if you look, there is machine learning scientist and there is machine learning engineer. So you found this the same course is supervised learning in machine learning scientist. You also find it is data engineer. You find it there. You also find it in machine learning engineer also.
Yes. So take for example now, yeah. So if you see mine, I don't know if you've seen. So if you can see, there are some courses that I have completed, like this introduction to Python. I've completed it like very long time. And say I'm taking another course, I'm probably going to be seeing it somewhere else. Do you understand? I'm probably going to be seeing it somewhere else. So since I have already completed it and I already have an understanding of introduction to Python, I'm not going to start going through all of this again.
Okay, just continue.
Understand? I'm just going to continue or go to the next one. So say, for example, I want to go back, or there is a particular subject that I want to try to record. I can just go back to that topic, but I don't have to start from scratch all over again. Does that make sense? Do you understand?
Yes. Now I should just continue with where I stopped.
Yes, just continue on that same track to the next one.
With some of the projects, the same thing apply to some of the projects you find. You see some project in machine learning engineering, the same project in machine learning scientists. So you find that you finish this one. So I don't know either they have.
I mean, if you finish it, this is me just guessing, because if you finish it, except you want to start from scratch again, and then you can just clear your stuff and start from scratch
Just to
again.
refresh my knowledge back.
Yes, just to refresh your knowledge if you want to do that. But if you know you don't want to do that, you can just continue on the other ones that you've not done.
Okay. Me, I thought that they will be counting what we are doing.
I mean, it's going to show at the 100%, so you are basically not counting any other thing again. Do you understand? Do you get that? Great. You have a question.
Hi, good evening. I don't have a question. I had contributions to make.
No.
So,
please
proceed.
Sorry, Mukadas, you want to say something? Great was talking. I think his network is breaking. Great.
Present before. So they'll cut it.
Mukadas, what are you saying? Your line is breaking. Can you hear me clearly?
Okay.
Can you hear me clearly? Can anyone hear me clearly?
Yeah, yes, it's network. So can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. You were saying?
Okay. I mean, what I thought is that I thought maybe this scholarship we are undergoing now, I thought they will count what we are doing presently. They will not bother about whether we have done it before. That is why I'm asking.
So it's a scholarship with data camp, and that's why we have, I think that's why we have access to data camp. And if it's a scholarship with data camp, it basically means whatever we are doing is being rated on data camp. So if it shows as completed, then it means that you've completed it. It doesn't necessarily mean because you've completed it, say, a month ago or 2 months ago.
Okay,
so like I said, you can just continue on other tracks, or you can even wait to get to the newest assignment for the newest week that you've not done. Do you understand? So it depends on you totally. And like I said, if you want to start from scratch just to fulfill your righteousness, you can refresh your and start from scratch. So there's that. Emmanuel, you want to say something? You're welcome, Mukadas.
Yes, I want to say something. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, so on data camp, they said the assignment is like the assignment is due. It has, how do I put this? There's 1 day left. You understand? So and now somebody said it's by 12 a.m. That's like in the next 5 hours, 5 or 6 hours. So I'm wondering, that's a contradiction. So is it a full day we have or just 6 hours we have? Which is it?
We have we have basically we have less than 6 hours left because it's at 11 p.m. GMT, 23 GMT. Check your emails. That is the time left for you guys to complete the supervised learning with Sky. Check the email. You will see all the information about the assignment she was giving to you guys.
Okay. All right then. Thank you.
Yeah. So Agwawi Adedeji, you want to say something?
Hello guys. So for me, what I'm suggesting is I feel like because I don't know, these people they want us to finish the course like in 6 hours, like just to fulfill the righteousness. Even if you don't understand what's going on, you can just like try to run it down and make sure it says completed. But at the same time, why trying to understand what's really going on? Because at the same time, even if you don't get it, just watch the videos and see how you can just try to, so it ticks as completed. Then I suggest like you can like when you are done, you can search machine learning. There's a search bar here because a lot of courses are really, really scattered like all over the place. I'm seeing one here on understanding machine learning with no coding involved. I searched machine learning, there are about 15,000 results. There's one pre-processing for machine learning in Python, machine learning for business, machine learning with PySpark. So you can just maybe use your initiative to pick courses for the search bar from beginner to expertise. I think the first one I clicked on it's pretty explanatory, right? You don't have to watch all the videos, you don't have to look at everything. You can just maybe watch 4 videos or maybe watch 5 videos and see what is really going on. But at the same time, the main objective is to finish the course by tomorrow. So I know you might have doubts, but we should just do our part and make sure that we finish the course. Then we will now table our complaints to the moderators that okay, this is the problem that we are having. But right now, I feel like the main objective we should just try to finish it. But actually, and there are actual resources, right? Like to kind of like aid the understanding. Yesterday, I was checking this data lab. Like data lab gives you like some examples, some case study examples on what you've done, and you try to test your knowledge on what you've done. And if you don't get it, there's like this AI thing that tells you, okay, this is where you are wrong. This is where you are wrong with your code. This is why you are wrong, and it kind of like helps you to practice what you've done concerning the courses that you've choose. You can choose anyone. So I feel like yeah, you can actually explore some other options to aid your understanding. It's not just the videos and the filling the gaps. There are other resources that kind of help you to train and practice. If there's even one, I think when you take the course, it gives you 250 XP, like you practice, like flashcards. It gives you like flashcards of okay, this is what you've done for the past 12 hours, and you can answer this and you can answer that. And if you keep answering those questions, it kind of helps you understand what you're really doing better. So again, gathering XP points is like also like an important thing too. So I guess we should also try to meet that requirement too. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for that, DDG. Um, Mahmoud Rabi, do you want to say something? It seems like I had that raised up. Do you have a question or you want to say something?
Yes, I have still a question. It is when despite this career, can I choose another course in data camp in the whole courses so that I can do it?
Well, as we have tracks, and based on those tracks, the courses that are assigned to us per week, or the assignments that we are given are what we are supposed to complete. If you now have extra time and you want to do another course, I think you can go ahead to do it. Like I don't know who said so. I think it was Salim that said all courses are you have access to all courses on data camp, but then you don't want to just be taking courses that are not related to what you actually need to do, and then lose out on the original thing that you were supposed to do. So does that answer your question, Mahmoud?
Yes, I got it. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Wait, Akachi, are you here now? Do you want to speak?
Yes, I am. I stopped earlier because somebody else was speaking. So, what I wanted to say is a lot of people have been asking what track or what course to take next, and all of that. So, for people that were here at the beginning of the meeting when the wrong TA joined the call, he said something about he was like, I'm the TA for data science. By the end of this, I want you to have, I want you to be certified data associate engineer, certified this, certified that. So basically, data camp has a lot of information on it. There is a lot of information. Someone said research machine learning and saw 1,000 and something um, courses that came up. So especially for beginners like myself, if you've ever tried to learn a tech skill on your own, you know that one thing that can be a problem is oversaturation of information. So you can see so many things and end up learning this and learning that, but at the end of the day, you don't have proficiency. You can't say that you know you have a particular skill. You just have crumbs of knowledge here and there. So I think that's where the TA is coming to help by assigning those courses to us. So if you're a beginner, um, you can take prerequisites of courses that were assigned maybe in your spare time instead of going around and filling up on so much information that might confuse you. So if you're confused, I think the plan that they have is that at the end of the course, we have certain certifications Now, given that a bunch of these career tracks like the ML engineer and ML associates for data science or something like that, both of them have very similar courses in between, a few discrepancies. So if you're assigned, let's say, 10 of these courses that are shared between them, by the time you do one or two extra, you've completed the requirements to be assigned certification as an ML engineer. So I think the plan is that by the time we are done taking all of the assignments that we're given every week, we would have gathered one or two certifications professionally. Um, yeah, I think that's all I have to say.
Thank you so much for that, Drake. I hope you heard what he said, and that makes sense a lot. So, Ivan Atu Hari, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. Do you have a question? Ivan, feels like he's not here. Mahmoud Rabiu, you have a question or something to say?
Yes, sir. I have a question regarding the project we'll do in this course, like in machine learning engineer. In this, oh, I see that in this course we have two projects, so I don't know how we'll deal with them.
Okay. So the projects that you have, or what was he said? Can you repeat what he said, please?
What, sir?
You said regarding the projects, you don't know how you're going to do it.
Yes, sir.
So I mean, after you've done course, I think that there are certain questions and questions at the end, or projects that you have to do. So doing the course provides you with context and with enough information to help you answer those questions at the end of the course. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So, you want to say something?
Yeah. Sorry. I have a question. Um, what is really the role of the TA, the teaching? Like, what is the role of the TA? Because does he just assign courses and like that's only what he does? Because I thought the TA is supposed to like kind of like maybe take us on some courses and maybe give us practical explanations on what we've done and maybe even suggest to give us a guided project that we can actually use to aid our understanding. And that's number one. Number two, like the breakout session, what exactly, like, is the TA even on this call? And if he is, can he identify himself? Like, what exactly is the goal or objective? Because coming into this meeting, I thought it was okay, maybe the TA will maybe run us through what we've done and maybe explain some things on what we're not clear about, or clear our doubts on people who are behind and people who are newbies. Like, that's just, I don't know if the TA is on this call or not. I would like to ask him even on the Discord. Thank you.
Yes, so that's a very solid question. And I've even tried the meeting hosts. I've called out to the meeting host a while. And I don't know, I think, like I said, I think there was a bit of issues with missing links and all of that. Yes, so there was a bit of, or if the major the T, are you the TA?
No, I'm not
Okay. You have a
I don't know.
question?
I don't know. I have a question, right?
All right. Please, what's your question?
I don't know how it goes for a newbie, for someone who wants to take AI machine. I hope I'm in the right place for AI.
You are breaking terribly. I didn't get that.
I said I hope I'm in the right place for AI. And
It depends. What was the learning track? What track did you select when you were registering?
I chose AI.
Artificial intelligence. I thought, were those the tracks that were there? I thought it was machine learning engineering, machine learning sciences, data analytics,
Yes,
engineering.
yes.
So which one of them did you
It's machine learning slash artificial intelligence, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, machine learning slash artificial. Yeah, so if you was machine learning, you're in the right place. Right place. So
I'm a newbie, so I'm like listening to people talking about having assignments and projects, and I've never done any. This is my first after the onboarding.
Here's what's going to happen here. I think I created a group, a WhatsApp group. I'm going to share the link here. Everybody, if you're interested in joining, you can join. Agba Oye seems to have like much context on that. And like I said, if you're a newbie, do you have experience with Python? Have you ever written anything in Python?
Yes.
All right, cool. So it means you have context. So what you just need to do is there are some introductory courses that you may need to take before jumping into the supervised learning with circuits. Does that make sense? So for whoever is interested, and also I'm not sure, I hope I'm not breaking any policy or something. Like I said, we didn't really get anybody to like moderate us, and I just had to step up. So I'm going to be sharing the link on here, and we can all join. And those that are interested can join, and then we can share resources, share what issues we are having with what issues we are having, so people can like explain whatever they did or how they go through the problem, that kind of thing. I hope we are all okay with that. Are we all okay with that? I'm just going to believe that we are all okay with that. So yes, basically. I'm trying to get the link. Copy the link and then so I just dropped the link. You can all join, and yeah, basically. So anyone else has any questions they would like to ask? I think okay, Abdul Hakim Ibrahim, you have your hands up. Do you want to say something? I'll ask the question.
Yeah, sorry. I'm asking about attendance that you said you'll be taking every week.
The what? You're sounding very muffled.
The attendance.
I don't know if they are using attendance or if they are doing anything like that.
Yeah, they said something about that to pass the first 2 months qualification or something like that. To qualify after 2 months to continue the course, you have to have at least 50% attendance for the breakout session.
Oh, I had no, I didn't. Anyone else know about that? I didn't even know about that. This is the first time.
Yes, it was mentioned during the onboarding.
Oh, okay, onboarding.
The host of the meeting, the AICA, the AICA official account that created this meeting was originally recording this call. So if they're going to check attendance, considering that we don't have a TA here, they'll probably refer to the recording and check people that joined. But yes, they did mention that you need at least 50% attendance to pass the 2 months probatory period.
So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that answer. Great. So Abdul Hakim, you have an answer to your question. Emanuela Dimitri, you have a question. Sorry, Dimitri, please. Emanuela Dimitri raised his hands up, so please let him speak. Emmanuel, are you here? I don't think. Okay, Emmanuel, yes, you can speak, please. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you clearly.
All right. So, are you the teaching assistant? Are you, or you're just a fellow?
I'm just a what?
Are you the teaching assistant, or you are just like someone taking the course also with us?
I just stepped up. The teaching assistants, we like I said, it seems like there were issues with meeting links and all of that, so I just had to step up. So yes.
Okay, so you are not like you are not with them. So you are just
no. I'm part of you. I am one of you. Yeah, I am one of you. So yeah. I said I'm one of you. I am one of you.
Okay, so all right, no issue.
All right. So, any other questions or anybody has any
Could you
other thing
kindly
they'd like?
send the WhatsApp WhatsApp link
Yeah,
again?
I have sent it. I sent it.
I'm checking the because I'm chatting through.
And it's
No,
pinned. You can check.
I'm checking through with my phone. So and I can't see it in the
I've sent
income
it again.
messages.
I've sent it again. I've sent it again.
I can't see it in the income messages.
I just sent it again. Check.
Wow. Oh, where can I check that? I'm checking the income messages, not in the income messages, but I'm looking
It's
at where
in call messages. It's in call messages. So yeah.
okay, okay, thanks.
You're welcome. So guys, you can join. Like I said, you can join the WhatsApp message. It's not compulsory. It's just a way for us to connect and help each other. Basically. Any other questions or any
Hi
other?
guys. Sorry, I want to say something. Okay. Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, sure. I can hear
Hello, can
you.
you hear me?
Yes, I
Okay.
can hear you.
Yeah. So yeah, in addition to what I said about the learning the basics of Python and just to to get up to speed with what you've done, I feel like for people that are maybe completing this course, this particular one, this assignment, if someone can do like a refresher of what they learned and maybe explain the technical concepts. I don't know, maybe another meeting during the week, maybe no more than 30-40 minutes if anyone is willing to join. So at least from now to let's say maybe Thursday, Tuesday, you've been able to like understand some basic concepts in Python, some parts of machine learning that we are doing for this week. Someone can maybe do like a quick refresher so that people can understand like I'm willing to volunteer. I mean some concepts I know I understand them pretty well. So just so and everybody can be on the same page because it might take like a lot of time for people to actually grasp on their own. But if there's someone who's willing to maybe just touch the basics, like it will make a lot of sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. I think we can talk about that later on the group. I mean, for those that are interested, anyways, we can work something out. Hi, Ivan.
Okay, thank you
Yes,
for
please.
this opportunity. My question is it possible for someone to change the track like from machine learning engineering track to data science track? Because what I've observed is I've been trying to go through machine learning engineering track, but what I've observed is it is somehow in intermediate level and it requires basic knowledge of data science, and I am just a beginner. Is it possible for me to change? I do data science track maybe in future when AI African community gives us another chance for data camp scholarship, then I will upgrade.
Yes, so Andrea says it's possible to switch, and I think that's like a very wise course of action. So you're not jumping ahead of. So yes, and if anyone also wants to take that route, if you know that you really don't have such a solid foundation in Python or in data science prior, you might want to take that route. First do data science, get your hands dirty, then you can switch to machine learning at a later time. So yes, that works too. But like I said, I don't know the process for changing or switching. So you may need to reach out to one of the admins or send them an email as soon as possible. You can send them an email as soon as possible to help you with that. So yes.
Maybe if possible, share with us the email.
Yeah, I'll get the email. There was I'll try to get the email for that. Yeah. Hi, Eric. You can go ahead, please.
Good evening once again. So I'm not sure if this has been like addressed. I think a few people tried to address it. When it comes to finishing the assignment well, I'm just sharing a tip. Like when you wanna do it, for those who are behind, you can simply go there. I think when you open the challenges, you watch the video. After the video, there's like a challenge. You just run the thing. You say run code. So when you run it without writing any code, there's like an AI next to the screen. So the AI will actually tell you, like there'll be an error, and AI will give you the line of code that you need to put there. So at least when you're putting those lines together, you also get to learn. So for people who want to like complete the assignment before it's due, I think you can also do that, because I was also worried. I completed it this afternoon, and that's what I did. And there's an option to actually reveal the answer. So, but then it will eat on your, this XP scores something. Yeah. So I think, guys, you could also explore that. Yeah. Thanks.
Yes, thank you so much for that, Eric. That's so true. So, like he says, if you have enough XP, you can, for questions or exercises that you don't get, you can just review, but it drops your XP. And if you get the answer correctly without any help, your XP increases too. So yes, there's that. So any other person has any other contribution or question they would like to ask?
Sir, please, do we have any dedicated WhatsApp group for ML engineering alone, apart from the general AIC group, so that to bring that discussion to the focus? Because when we are talking, others will bring in data engineering, others will bring some other things. I want to just know if there's an
Sorry, I
official.
didn't get that question clearly. Can you repeat?
If there's an official, just like we have a Discord group, do we have an official WhatsApp to facilitate our communication at the WhatsApp level as a group
So
for this
I
tracking?
just dropped one. I created a group and I dropped it. Like I said, I don't know if it was the TA who was supposed to create that, but I just decided to create one. So
Okay,
you
the
can.
one by Kunlola, right?
Yes, yes. So
Okay, I
you
guess
can
that's
just
you.
join that. Sorry?
Thank you. I guess that's you, sir.
Yeah, all right. Yes. So thank you so much, guys. I think that we are reaching the end of this call. So anyone has any other thing they would like to share, like please, if we can, as much as possible, so avoid any issues. If we can finish the assignments, we can just try to do the exercises, then go back through the videos for those of us that have not finished, then go back to the lessons, try to get and understand it, then do the exercises so you can at least complete it and all of that, if that makes sense. Do we understand that? Yes. So please, if you've not joined the group and you are interested in networking, speaking, or you need help or something, I think it will really help us, the WhatsApp group, so we can all join that. Anyone has any other thing before we like end this call?
Oh, sorry, sir. There's something I would like to ask. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you clearly, sir, Mr.
Apart
Naramaju.
from the projects that we have on data camp as part of our coursework, is there any other project that we'll be doing as AIC at all?
Okay, so I don't think we should get ahead of ourselves. Let's do what we are given part time. If you want to learn more, you can get more resources online and all of that. But I think it's important that we complete whatever assignments we are given part time. Does that make sense, sir? Mr. Larry,
Sir?
does that make sense? Did you get what I said? Do you
Yes,
understand
it
what I
does.
said?
I'm asking because something like that was mentioned during the orientation last week about capstone, about this, about that. That's what I'm
Yeah,
asking.
so
If
there are
there's any
capstone
such plan.
projects, and I think capstone projects are after you've completed a certain level of, or maybe when you are done with the whole tract, then you have to do a final capstone project. Am I correct? I think I'm correct. I believe I'm correct. So yes, basically. Any other?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So I think that is all for today. Thank you so much, guys. I apologize on behalf of the team that this was kind of just had to move with the flow. So I hope that the next breakout session would
Please,
be much
sir,
better.
just one thing, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
All
I'm
right.
sorry for interrupting you,
Yes.
sir. There's somebody I know that is admitted to this course. He got the mail, but he didn't get linked to the WhatsApp group, the general group. I don't know
The
if there's a
WhatsApp
way
group
you
was just
can.
created on this call, though.
No, no,
Like
not this one. Not this one, sir.
there was
The
another general
mail.
WhatsApp group.
Yes, the one that has community, that has announcement, you know.
I think no, that's Discord, and to join Discord
No,
channel,
not this course, sir. There's a WhatsApp group that's.
I didn't get
No,
a
I
link for
don't
the
think there was
WhatsApp
a
group.
WhatsApp group. Oh.
There was no WhatsApp group.
There was no WhatsApp group.
There's a WhatsApp group. There's a general WhatsApp group.
Oh,
When you were applying, yes, there is. When you were
oh, that
applying for it,
one that we had to join.
yes,
I didn't
yes,
get
Sorry,
that's
please,
it.
can you send the link to the group
Yes,
for in
please.
the chat box, please?
Okay, I'll try.
The
I can't
person
start
has
straight.
been wondering how would he join. They call it AI School Africa, AI Community Africa.
Yeah,
So,
because I didn't get. Apparently,
so
I didn't even get that. That okay, community. Maybe it's even the community. Let me check. Some because I didn't get that at all.
it has over 1,000 members, actually.
Oh, okay, that's nice. I didn't get that though.
Please, I would like if you can drop the link so I can send to him. I'm sure
Yes,
he
so
has
I
gotten
think
the
that's
link.
what the brother wants to do for us. So she's gonna drop the link.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, you're welcome. So while we are waiting for Deborah, I think that's just best to round this up. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to moderate. Yeah, and thank you everybody. This was fun. We should, I don't know, I hope that the next breakout session is a bit more organized and we have our tea here or something. So thank you so much, guys. Deborah, you can drop the, if you get it, please. Earlier was drop the.
I'm sorry, I searched for it. I don't think I have it because it was just when it was in the application process that I just used my link to join. I just checked this group description. I don't think the link is there, so I don't know.
Oh, okay. All right, then. Maybe when next we have a breakout session, we'll just ask the TA for that. For those of us that have not, that are not here, and that didn't get the.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. And also, I think that it's important that all of us fill out that form, the forms one, the ones with where we can lodge our complaints, and explicitly state how this meeting went, so that they will get better Kenny next time. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's
Sorry,
just
please,
provide.
I don't have access to that form. Please, is it possible for you to drop it in the chat box?
I will drop it again. I will find
All
a way
right,
to
thank you very much. Thank you very much.
drop it again, so we can all like. So this doesn't happen again. I have dropped this in the chat. Ngam, you want to say something?
Oh yeah, I want to say something concerning the WhatsApp chat, right? People can be added to the group. If in case those are not in the group, we can just indicate right on the WhatsApp community.
If what?
Now. Can you
Sorry?
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. You
Can you hear
said?
me?
Yeah, I can hear you
All
now.
right, yeah. So consider the WhatsApp, the general WhatsApp group for the program itself. People can be added to the group. The link is not in the bio, but people can be added to the group. So the group is just created now. For those that are interested, I can just write them, then I'll try to add all the people that want to be inside the group.
Oh, okay. That makes
Oh,
sense.
good evening, sir.
Yes, hi, good evening.
Yes, can you also add me in the group chat?
Which of the group chats are we talking about now?
Oh, it's a misunderstanding, sir.
Which of the group chats are you talking about?
I thought that there's a group there. I heard someone here was speaking of it.
Yes, so there is a group chat we dropped, the links to a group chat we dropped amongst ourselves to help each other here. That was just created like a few minutes ago. I'm dropping it again.
Okay.
Yes, you can join if you're interested in joining. It's not compulsory or anything like that. But yes, basically. So.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah. All right, guys. So, I think that's the end of our breakout session for today. Please, if we can, let's fill out that form and just give them feedback. So, all right, guys. Do have a wonderful rest of your evening. And I think Adedeji, you can just drop for the people that just are beginners. You can kind of like drop a framework or something for them to follow, so they can quickly catch up and they are not left behind. All right, guys, have a lovely evening. Good night, everyone.
Ang valang mic la and yung phone group link. Ang valang mic and yung group link nga chabang etang. Kaning iba, wala.